Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Symmetrics and Mathematics. In this video we are going to find the cube root of the number 9 minus 4 root 5. Okay, in order to find the cube root of this number we have to take this one to be equal to x. Okay, and similarly its conjugate number, that means 9 plus 4 root 5, will be taken as y. So in order to remove the cube we have to cube the given number, okay, so that we can get this value free from cube. Okay, and by cubing x and y we get x cube is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 and y cube is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5, and by adding we get x cube plus y cube to be equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 plus 9 plus 4 root 5, in which 4 root 5 will be cancelled out due to opposite symbol. Similarly, in order to find the value of x into y, okay, we have to multiply the corresponding value of x and y, and after that using the basic identity a minus b into a plus b as a square minus b square, and using this formula in this expression we get x into y to be equal to 1. Okay, and now we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube by using the formula a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Similarly, by replacing a and b by x and y, we write the same formula as you can see here. Similarly, and again we can also write the value of x square plus y square as x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Okay, so by putting this value in the above expression, that means x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy, then we get x cube plus y cube to be equal to x plus y into x plus y whole square minus 2xy minus xy, that means 3xy. Okay, now we have to put the value of xy, which we have already find this value as 1. So by putting this value, then we get the above expression as you can see here. And now, and again putting the value of x plus y as k. Okay, because we have to make this expression simple so that we can solve them easily. Okay, so by putting this to be equal to k, that means x plus y as k in the above expression, we can make them easy and understandable. Okay, and this become k into k square minus 3 as equal to 18. And now by multiplying k in the bracket we get k power 3 minus 3k is equal to 18, and by transposing 18 to the left side we get k power 3 minus 3k minus 18 is equal to 0. Now we can write 18 as 27 minus 9. Do you know why? Because we have to make it simple and we have to solve this also. Now collecting k power 3 and 27 together and 3k 9 together also, and by using the formula for expression k power 3 minus 27, this formula a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, then we can make the above expression as simple as possible. Okay, now putting the value of k power 3 minus 3 power 3 by using the formula a cube minus b cube and making this calculation, then we can see here this become very simple for our understanding. Okay, and by taking k minus 3 as common, then we write and we see that k minus 3 into k square plus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to write these two bracket term separately to be equal to 0, then we get one value is 3 and other value does not exist because their roots are not real. So the exact value of k exact value of m is 3. Okay, but we have already taken the value of m to be equal to x plus y. That means the value of x plus y is 3. Now transposing x on the right side, then we can find the value of y as 3 minus x, and putting this value, that means the value of y as 3 minus x in the expression x into y is equal to 1, and solving this expression, then we can find a new quadratic equation which you can see here, and this become x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so the quadratic equation x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 will be solved by using the formula, quadratic formula, which is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, here in this quadratic equation, the value of a, b and c are 1, minus 3 and 1 respectively. So putting this value in quadratic formula, then we find the value of x to be equal to minus into minus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Then by simplification we get 3 plus minus 9 minus 4, which give 5. Okay, so here we get two value of x. One is 3 plus root 5 divided by 2, and the other is 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. Both value have different numerical value. One has more than 2 and other is less than 2. That means the value of 3 plus root 5 divided by 2 is more than 2, and the value of value of other x, that means 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 is less than 2. But the value of cube root of 9 minus 4 root 5 is less than 1, less than 2, because the value of cube root of 8 is 2. And so we have to take only one value, 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 as the correct answer. Okay, and the other value is rejected. And so the cube root of 9 minus 4 5 is taken as 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. Thank you. Thanks for watching.